My name is Ngechu. I'm the current Women in Manufacturing Program Chair, but I've been in Women in Manufacturing Program since inception, which we started in the year 2017. We started the WIM programs to build a platform and a network place where women who are in the manufacturing space can be able to network and share experiences. In the Women in Manufacturing Program, we cater for women-owned businesses, women-led businesses, and we also cater for women who are working in the manufacturing sector. We did a study report that was done around women in manufacturing, the challenges that they face. And the findings that came from that report were quite interesting, and some of them were in representation, and a lot of others were in you'd look into gender cultural norms that any woman would experience as they are doing businesses or as they are running their enterprises. Other challenges that also came from the report was access to technology, capacity building, business development services that are sometimes quite expensive, and looking into the structure of how it is that our businesses in Kenya are. A lot of women-owned businesses are still very small. So they're either in the micro or they're in SME. So a lot of those challenges, they get them all the time. We have had an initiative about encouraging women to take up the STEM languages. And I personally have had interaction with a few universities, talking to girls and encouraging them that they can be able to take the STEM subjects. Why STEM subjects? Because we are saying that it is from that age of formation that when they grow up with a STEM background, that we are able to demystify this conversation around manufacturing. Because manufacturing is technical, we need engineers, we need technical people to get into that space of manufacturing. So this would come from the formation of their career development, and if they don't choose the STEM languages, or then they are not able to fit in that space. What I would encourage the young girls or the women who are out there and they would want to embrace manufacturing is to be present and have the self-confidence and self-development. Technology, especially with the internet today, there's almost any information that you would want to learn. So self-development every day in the area where you are, in what you're producing, in the areas that you'd want to venture. A lot of information is there. So let's not be ignorant or think that it's hard, we cannot be able to do it. Because the moment you put that in our minds, in our mentality, first it becomes a barrier that this is not my space, it's a space for men.